Coming soon to Power BI, the new card visual. Power BI is rolling out a modern and visually engaging card visual, a refreshed way to showcase key metrics in your reports with powerful new capabilities and major performance improvements. Here's what you need to know. Rendering improvements. The rendering engine has been completely re-engineered for responsive design. Now, when you resize the card visual, the layout proportions stay consistent, and no more cut-off sections. Impact on existing reports. These updates may affect how your visuals appear, especially for cards with shorter heights. Once GA is released, default callout size and background formatting will automatically apply, regardless of whether a divider is used. Preparing for GA. Review your card visuals, adjust divider and background settings for alignment, and fine-tune callout sizes to match your design preferences. What's new in GA? Enjoy enhanced image support, collage layout, expanded styling controls, and updated defaults, available as opt-in for existing reports. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.